Okay, welcome to Barton Street in downtown Hamilton. This is a restoration. This is being helped by the city of Hamilton, where they're giving the property owner some investment money and contribute to the facelift of this property. This neighborhood is going through a transition. There's a lot of investment coming in for revitalizing these properties, such as this one. This is the property owner and also a new business owner, and he wants to create more of the original look. We originally tried to just clean this brick, but it's very textured, and the layers of paint and graffiti that's been on this building from the past makes it somewhat impossible to do that. So we decided to go an alternative way, which was just to rip the exterior brick of this double brick wall from ground to ceiling, and we're going to replace it with a very close matching brick. We're going to color match the mortar, and we're going to finish the tops on the front of the parapet wall with some nice limestone copings. This property owner is going to be owning this property for a while, so he also wants us to clean all the other bricks that are around on the brick walls that are around the building, the other three sides. In that case, we're going to use a very high detergent professional washing, and it's going to bring back the original look of this brick on the side and the back to somewhere around 85-90%. We're going to call in our crew, they're going to erect scaffolding, and in about a week or so, this building is going to be completely transformed into something new.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
Okay, here we are in the back of Barton Street. I already discussed that we're going to rip the bricks off in the front. In this back and the sides, we can actually just go for an exfoliation and a professional brick washing and cleaning. The techniques that's developed over the last several years make it so that it's very environmentally friendly, and it really transforms the look of the brick. You can see the brickwork is generally perfectly fine. It's just been covered with a lot of air pollution over decades and decades, perhaps a century or more. So we're going to come in here with a crew, and we're going to use a technique that's very, again, environmentally friendly, reclaiming the water, making very little mess, but it's going to exfoliate all the brick. And again, it's just going to bring this beautiful building, which is, in the neighborhood that's transforming and stuff like that, right back to brand new. So it'll be good for another 100 years.
A&A continues to contribute to the revitalization of downtown Hamilton with their restoration projects on storefront locations in the city's core. As Greg mentioned, this particular property experienced brick damage from prior paint jobs, as well as graffiti that left a less than desirable appearance to the property. You can see a clear example where the bricks in the front section completely absorb the paint that will require the bricks to be completely replaced. It is also clear to see that the sides of the building as well as the back can undergo the brick cleaning that Greg mentioned. As we go to the back of the building, we can see the crew mixing the special acid-based chemical that they apply first to the bricks as part of the brick cleaning procedure. The first step of the brick cleaning procedure is to power wash the bricks to get any of the looser surface debris removed from the bricks. Once this is done, they then apply the acid-based chemical to wash and scrub the bricks with. The chemical will then go deeper into the pores of the bricks to exfoliate even more of the pollution and debris in the bricks that have accumulated over years. Then they do a final power wash after that to leave a clean surface and make the bricks look new again. This is done in an environmental friendly fashion where the water can be recycled and reclaimed with proper disposal, and to ensure nothing else other than the bricks are exposed in this process. This environmentally safe process can be done on indoor and outdoor bricks to create a great appearance. Now, with the exterior bricks installed in the double masonry wall at the front of the building, combined with the brick cleaning on the back and the sides of the building, the masonry restoration is complete. The building is now ready for the next step of renovations to complete its facelift. This is yet another example of a great project that A&A Masonry has been involved in helping to restore and renew the downtown core of Hamilton back to the look that a great city deserves. So stay tuned for other videos showing great restoration projects in downtown Hamilton. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all kinds of information and education to help you make your home or building the best that it can be for many, many years in the future. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.